Welcome, Jessy. You're the first time here at TEQnation with us at SDNCAST, so please introduce yourself to our viewers.
Thank you, Roy. Thank you for having me here, by the way. This is my second time in TEQnation, but first time with you guys.
Yeah,
so I'm
definitely.
really pumped for that. What do I bring me here? What did you say?
Yeah, but you are.
Right.
First of all, you're Jessy, but where are you from? What company you work for? What brings you to TEQnation?
What brings me to TEQnation? My name is Jessy. I am here for TEQnation to give a workshop about AI and Web3. I work as a front-end / blockchain developer, and I'm a technical content creator, which means you can hire me to give workshops, master classes, and I coach students right now since last March, having my own education platform.
Wow, nice. And you're here for a workshop.
Yeah.
This workshop, what's this workshop about? What will people learn when they visit your workshop here today?
They will learn what the synergy of AI and Web3 brings. So I love to create impactful apps, and I'm going to show how AI and Web3 together can make a real impact. So how does that show up? We're going to create AI art, and with that, I'm going to turn it into NFTs. And because, you know, NFTs are fun and visual, but people only know them as overpriced pretty pictures.
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to do in this workshop, I'm trying to teach people that if you connect a utility to it, if it serves a purpose, you know, and people can mint the NFT from their friend in the workshop, so we're going to build our own NFT collection. That's actually when the NFT has real meaning, having it. So minting an NFT means having met somebody.
Nice, nice. And this is from back-end to front-end?
Yes.
Everything is done in one workshop?
Yeah, so that is, those are the challenges as a teacher, as a facilitator, to bringing people from different levels to understanding what you're talking about. So obviously, I'm going to talk about some complex topics: blockchain, NFTs, smart contracts, and Web3. Now, I know, for example, that maybe how it exactly works. Like, everybody knows what a phone can do, but not everybody knows how a phone really works, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So today I'm going to also talk to blockchain in a simple matter that's enough for people to understand what a dApp is. And with the dApp, we're going to create the NFT collection. So I try to do that while having fun, quizzes and all that. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. And of course you built the examples in front.
Yeah.
Does that give you nice art, new nice art?
Yeah, well, I love generative art, to be honest. I mean, NFTs, I love NFTs too. I'm a front-end developer, you know, so it's all about design. But the AI art is just so accurate depending on what AI art generator you use. And I think it's just interesting to see what AI can bring. And of course, NFTs are about creating unique things, because that's why it's an NFT.
Yep.
Non-fungible token stands for representing something unique, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So to combine that with AI and make art with that is exactly where you can, you know, really make an impact by having something unique of your own.
And now, a message from our sponsor.
Nice. And what is the most important message you want your audience to have learned on the end of your talk today, or your workshop?
Oh, that's a good question. To combine new technologies together and see where you can exchange value. Because before minting an NFT, great, you had the NFT in possession. It didn't mean anything. But now, because we're making an NFT collection in the workshop, and hey, you're my buddy, I can mint your NFT, now it means I've met you in real life.
Yeah.
I know Roy was here, we did this workshop together, we were in this moment here together. And so with new technology, I try to give it a meaningful and impactful, I would say character.
So not just the code, not just the technique, but combine this together to make it more valuable.
Yeah, definitely. I think most developers, I mean, everybody can learn code, technically, right? Everybody can talk about code, although communication, soft skills, also very important. But I think when it comes to business and combining that with new technologies, where's the real value? What's the real exchange here? And so yeah, I also took up the challenge, to give another utility to bring the NFTs to the next level, and also to teach people about blockchain.
Yeah.
To make that visual.
Yeah, blockchain is for most people more kind of a black box.
Yeah, it is, and especially smart contracts. If you don't know the language, then it's like, yeah, what does it do? Can I eat it? Yeah.
And in your workshop, you're going to incorporate that in the entire chain from start to finish.
Yes.
Nice.
So we're going to create AI art. I'm going to collect that, and I'm going to deploy the smart contract that contains that collection, so to say. And so it is really only because once a smart contract is deployed, you can never take it back.
No.
So the beauty of that is that's unique in
Nice.
real time, but also the scary part of it is things could go wrong, obviously. The art that you posted, you don't like it afterwards.
Yeah.
But it also gives it's a meaningful and impactful character, I would say.
That sounds really amazing, and thank you very much for giving that talk, that workshop here at TEQnation.
Yeah, of course.
It's your second time, but maybe we can see each other next year again for your
Yeah, that'd be
time.
great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and good luck with the workshop.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Bye.